I've been born and brought up in Mumbai. I am a typical Mumbaiker and I love my city a lot. But there was something about it that really felt incomplete. So what exactly is a digital nomad? Basically, it means to make your income on the road. You need only your laptop and your own self. It's just been a couple of years where people have really started taking off away from the city lives and heading into remote places because all you need is a good Wi-Fi and a good laptop to work, right? There are two ways to be a digital nomad. A, you trust the traditional route, that is look for work online. Now there are a lot of websites that can help you do that. To pick up jobs that allowed us to teach our skill. For example, we taught English to a few Chinese students. Hi May, if you're watching this. And it was enough for us to be able to take care of our expenses, to be on the road because mountain living is pretty cheap. So in this case, you get to choose jobs that you feel you're capable of enjoying for the rest of your lives or for at least some time. The other way, what we are trying to accomplish here and what we want to be able to show you is that you can head off to a different place and pick up jobs locally there. And you would be surprised at the kind of response you will get. Like for example, in Tirthan Valley, there are schools that are looking for teenagers to come and volunteer and teach them. So you would not feel very accomplished to teach a batch of IIM students maybe, but these are village kids. I'm sure we all have something to give them. And that's how we picked up some work in Tirthan Valley. क्या नाम है आपका?
जतिन गांधी।
क्या करते हो आप?
कुछ नहीं।
In a lot of countries, there's the concept of woofing, that is working in farms and working in agricultural fields and helping the owners pick out the harvest or pluck the apples. And they get paid, they get food, they get accommodation, and they have a lovely holiday whilst not spending or making more money if you could do it that way. Why not have something like that in India?